Sir, I'm here to file a criminal complaint.
Okay.
I have video evidence of an officer assaulting me and breaking my phone. Internal Affairs, I tried to go through the proper channels of Internal Affairs. They are covering for this officer, a sergeant. They're covering for him, so I'm here to file a criminal complaint with the inspector's office. This man is treating me extremely, he's really wrong. You shouldn't be acting that way, sir. You're escalating.
Time out. Okay. First, normally we don't accept criminal complaints here. That's not really the way the process works. But which town does the complaint arise out of?
Middletown.
Middletown. Okay. Have you contacted the Middletown State's Attorney's Office?
I figured that the Chief State's Attorney's Office would be, all-encompassing.
Actually, that's not the way it works, because we have 13 separate judicial districts, and the Chief State's Attorney is only the supervisor of the state's attorneys for managerial purposes only. For criminal purposes, like crimes that occur within a district, the first stop is the state's attorney for that judicial district. They're responsible for prosecuting and investigating all criminal complaints that arise in the district. So the first stop should be there. But what we can do is, if you have an issue like that, if you can put it in writing, you can email it to me. I'm the Deputy Chief State's Attorney.
Okay.
And I will forward it to the Middletown State's Attorney.
Okay.
With the understanding that when it comes from us, that we ask that they look into the issue and assign an inspecector to review your issue. That happens quite often.
I appreciate that. If I can get your card, my only.
Did I not explain that to you about the Middlesex State Attorney's Office?
Yeah,
Middletown?
sir. It's not about what you're explaining. It's about how you're doing it. You're escalating the situation. You're trying to talk to me like I'm your son or I'm beneath you.
Let's just end the back and forth, and we'll get you the information that you want. Right?
Yeah, I just want to, because at the end of the day, a crime was committed in Connecticut. I have video evidence, body camera footage, and the state police are covering for they investigated themselves and found no wrongdoing.
We look into these quite often. I don't have.
And I would like to that's why I came here, because I want to file a formal criminal complaint.
Hold on 1 second. Let me just. I'll write my email down for you, and you can send it to me. Okay.
It's not necessary, sir. What you're doing. I'm a member of the public. I'm not trying to give you a hard time. That's not what I'm trying to do. If your child was assaulted, if your wife was assaulted, and their property broken, you would be upset too, sir. You'd be upset too. You took an oath to uphold the law of Connecticut. There's too much covering in the police departments here and law enforcement.
Kevin Waller, Deputy Chief State's Attorney.
Deputy Chief State's Attorney, Kevin Waller.
In which case,